How to add collections to your Shopify store. Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you step by step how it's done. It is very simple and easy to do. So let's just go in and get started. First, you need to log into your Shopify admin, and then we simply just want to head on over to the products section. Now, at this point, you should actually have a few products on your store because collections is basically many different products in one place, and you can just showcase it in many different unique ways. So in this case, I just have these two different sample products, let's say. So once we click on products here, we simply just want to go down a little bit and you should be able to find collections. So just go and click on that. Next up, we just want to click on add collection from the top right corner. Now from here, we are just going to basically set up the collection with the title of it and the description first. And you can even feel free to add an image to it on the right side here. Just click on that and you can just add a file. So now once that's done, we're just going to go to the collection type here. And we have two different types of collections here. Either manual, which is very straightforward. If you select manual, you're simply just going to add products yourself. You're just going to go through the products, which one you want to add, which one you don't want to add, and you simply just click on add here. And that's all you need to do. But if you go for smart, you are going to be setting up conditions. So basically, even if in the future you add more products, if they suit or if they fulfill these conditions, they are pretty much just going to automatically be added to this collection. So for example, we can make a condition. First, you have two options, whether they must match all conditions or any of the conditions that you can add here. So I'm just going to make it so that it's all conditions, even though I'm just going to be creating one condition anyway. So let's say if the price point is greater than 5 AED, then in this case, it's going to automatically be added to the collection. So now if we just click on save here, and if we scroll down a little bit, it's going to automatically add these two products because the price point for both is greater than 5 AED. Even if we go to products and create a new product, and I'm just going to make the price point for it is greater than 5. So in this case, we're just going to click on save. And if we go back to the collection, guess what? It's automatically going to actually have that product in it. Just refresh the page. It could actually take you a few refresh tries, but at the end, it's just going to actually add it to your collection, as you can see, automatically. So once we do this, we simply just want to add this collection to our online store. So just click on online store, go to themes and click on edit theme. And then in order to actually add your collection, you simply just want to go to template, add section, and you want to just scroll down. You don't want to go for collections here because this one is going to showcase different collections without showing the products within them. So if that's what you want, you can just go for them. But if you want to showcase the product within a collection, you just want to scroll down, go to products, and you can just select a featured collection, grid, carousel, whatever it may be. So we can just go for grid. Let's just go for this one. And then once you click on it, we simply just want to click on it one more time. See from the top left here, we can just select the collection that we want, choose the one that we have just created, and we can actually see that it does showcase the different products within them. Now you can obviously feel free to change the styling of it from this menu here, but this is pretty much all for this tutorial. So hopefully you found this video to be informative and helpful, and for more information, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and thanks for watching.